eBox Mini PC Applications Introduction. This is the demo kit. Arrow indicate the eBox. eBox Mini PC provides various input and output interfaces to communicate with other devices. The RS-232 port connects to the LCD, showing text message and marquee effect. The concept can be used for digital info display applications, for example, flight schedule, vision test machine, digital signage. The GPIO port connects with the ultrasonic sensor, servomotors and the light bulb. When ultrasonic sensor detect object, the bulb light up, servomotors and gateway activated. The auto detect applications, for example, automatic door, parking system. 4.3 Touch panel PC to work with the eBox Mini PC. The panel PC is built-in RFID reader. It can interact with RFID cards. The RFID interactive applications, for example, access control system, bicycle rental system, transit payment system. Two devices communicate with each other by XBee wireless signal. Remote the servomotor on and off control. Remote the servomotor direction control. Remote the camera capture control. When the object detected, the camera activated. The ultrasonic sensor measure object distance and display result on the screen. The detective and interactive applications, for example, access control, license plate recognition, remote environment management system, solar tracking system, farming automation. Thank you for watching. eBox Mini PC includes 9 series. More than 500 model types. For more information, please contact us.